Hello, hello, hello. Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. How are you guys? Welcome. Good evening. How are you all? My name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade. I am here to provide you a new webinar of our YouTube. So, guys, as you already know, the Olymp Trade is time to time providing you some details, some useful things to you. How? Many ways we have, like we are providing you the detail by YouTube webinar, we are providing you detail by Zoom webinar, the personal webinars, personal meetings, and many ways. So, starting here now, I would like to warm welcome to all of you guys. My name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade Broker. My work is to provide you, guide you a better way of trading, which is can helpful for you. Why Olymp Trade providing you these kind of services? Because we always want you to earn and learn, because earning without learning is not so possible. Earning without learning is not so possible. So what you need to do, you just need to learn the things and according to that open the trade, so you will have a chance of earning. Having an experience of around 15 years around, so I am usually doing trading in Indian trading market as well, and here in Olymp Trade I have an experience of around 7 years according to the trader, as per the trader, like as a trader, and then I become an analyst as well. So I'm providing my experience to you guys. What you need to do, you need to find the way which is I'm providing you the trading, open some trades and then do some trading accordingly. That is the best way to open the trade. All right. So guys, my screen is visible for you. I hope yes. And I saw you guys are putting some comments over there. So I request you to all of you, please share your feedback in the comment box, and if you are having any issues, please let me know. I will give you the reply of the same, but at the last when we are near to finish, because till that time I would like to finish the chapter which is we are going to discuss, and then we will definitely discuss about the issues. And if you like the consultation, then please share with your friends, like this channel and subscribe this channel as well. Okay, so let's start our consultation. We are always providing many strategies to our trader which is can helpful for you to understand how to open the trade and getting the signals. Basically, whenever we are doing this is an exercise which is we are continuously every week I'm coming and some other analysts are coming, and we are providing you some different type of ways that can be helpful for you. And we are providing the consultation in Hindi and English as well. So we have a different channels. If you want to know the things and details in Hindi, then right now check this link of channel and join this channel. This is our Hindi channel link. Before you ask, please provide me the detail. The details are here. Okay, so before starting the consultation and before starting all details, please remember that this is the live streaming which is coming to you a little bit late. So please do not open the trade with me, because the trading is always a very risky thing. I have some money in my account. I can recover my losses, or I can open the trade with the higher amount to recover my losses as well, but maybe you don't have. So in this condition, please just understand the things which I am providing to you. Do trading according to that, do some practice, but not now, right after this time. Signals are here. I am providing you the details as per as the signals also according to the strategy. But remember, trading and strategy, these are the things which is not providing you the 100% success rate, guys. There is nothing who can provide you the 100% success rate. So please do trading with your own risk. So we are going to discuss today about a strategy. The name of the strategy is Rodeo. What are the strategies? So we have some kind of different tools called indicator, oscillator, some drawing tools, some patterns and strategies. So what we need to do, we need to go to this section which is called technical analysis section. So first we need to go there. Once you clicked over here, you will see there is a list of what? Here is a list of technical analysis, menu of the technical analysis. Whenever you clicked it, you can see the indicator, oscillator, drawing tool, strategies, advisor. I am using basically the computer application. Yeah, this is the application of Olymp Trade. But if you can open the mobile application, then you will see these all things, indicator, oscillator, drawing tools and strategies, in a horizontal way. Right now you can see in a vertical line, so up to down, but when you open your Olymp Trade application in your phone, Android or iOS, you will see it from right to left or left to right. So here you can see the symbol of a strategy and it's written over there, the strategy. A strategy is the combination of indicators and oscillator. If you can use the indicator or oscillator normally, you need to change some parameters of them. But if you use the strategy, then there is no need to change any parameter. Just go to the strategy section and here you will get, okay, you will receive the strategy according to your status. If you are in starter status holder, then you will have a chance to get 8 strategy. If you are an advanced status holder, then you will have a chance to get 7 more strategies. And if you will become the expert, which is the most prestigious status of our Olymp Trade platform for the trader, 8 more strategies are there. So we are going to discuss today Rodeo strategy. Before that, I am having 2 comments. People are asking me to discuss in Hindi. नमस्कार गणेश जी एंड खान साहब, ये जो चैनल है ये इंग्लिश चैनल है, ठीक है। अगर आप हिंदी चैनल पे जाना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ऊपर एक मैंने कमेंट डाला हुआ है, कृपया उसे चेक करें। यहाँ पर ये मैं फिर से आपको डाल रहा हूँ लिंक, यहाँ पर हिंदी चैनल का, ये हिंदी चैनल है, इसको लाइक करके सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। यहाँ पर आपको हर मंगलवार को और बृहस्पतिवार को हिंदी में कंसल्टेशन मिलेगा। ये जिस चैनल पे अभी इस समय आप हैं, यहाँ पर इंग्लिश और अन्य भाषाओं में ही कंसल्टेशन दिया जाता है, क्षमा चाहूँगा आपसे। All right guys, so here is the strategy called Rodeo. So Rodeo is basically a counter trend system, which is we are having 3 signals from here, actually the based on the 3 situations. So what we have actually a Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, the components basically based on the Heikin-Ashi candlestick, stochastic oscillator and MACD. So Rodeo strategy basically is a counter trend system showing you the most probable point of correction and trend reversal. So what we need to do, we need to find a moment of a trend reversal using the Heikin-Ashi candlestick, MACD and stochastic indicators, which should be confirm the signal. And if we are getting the signal, then we should open the trade. So let's discuss about the things, how to work with that. Till that time, if I am getting some kind of signal, then I will open the trade in front of you as well. That is also a trick. Because Mr. Rahul, without knowledge, nothing is working. No tricks are working basically. So if you just wanted to earn without learning, I'm sorry sir, it's quite difficult. मतलब आप अगर इंजीनियरिंग करना चाहते हैं और आप बिना पढ़े, बिना कोर्स किए सीधे 12वीं के बाद जाके किसी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल के पास चले जाए और उससे कहे ये लो 5 लाख का चेक और मुझे इंजीनियर बना दो, वो नहीं देगा भाई, डॉक्टर भी नहीं बन पाओगे आप। कोई भी काम आप करते हो तो उसको सीखना पड़ेगा, तो ट्रिक्स मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, सॉरी। ओके, थैंक यू। MACD, what is the MACD? MACD, if you can see the second oscillator, which is with the area chart of color of sea green and then two lines here, green and red. So this is the indicator which is actually the name of MACD. The full name is moving average conversion and divergence. MACD is the trend following momentum indicator which is showing us a relationship of two moving averages. Here we have a two moving averages. If you can see the MACD, the calculation of MACD is 26 and 12. How to check? From here, 26 and 12. This is the basically EMA indicator. So these are the moving averages which is providing, this is providing us the between relationship of them. If you can see, there is a level of 0. If you can see, there is a level of 0. So time to time MACD is doing what? MACD crossing the level from up to down below this horizontal line, or maybe sometimes it's going down to above the horizontal level. That means that if the line is going down, the area chart is crossing the horizontal level with the speed, then we can say that we will have might be a downtrend situation. Sometimes we see the downtrend situation is going up. How to find? Basically, whenever we are doing trading, we didn't know when the trend is going up or when the trend is going down. When the trend is going up or when the trend is going down. How to, this is actually we want always. So this indicator is helping you for the same, like now the trend is maybe moving up or maybe moving down. One more thing, sometimes what we see, the trend is not working, maybe the trend is flat and we didn't know, and we open the trade and we are having some kind of unsuccessful trade. You can find it from here. If you can see this line, the area chart, if just running closely near to the horizontal line, not going up, even not going down, means it's a flat. Then meaning of this, the chart is flat. So always remember. Then how to find a way? There is a two more lines over there. One line is green and second line is red. So green line basically itself a MACD line, as you can see the area chart, which is you can see on the sea green, the hills type things, that is moving. The green line is moving like the same, but the red line is very important, sir. The red line is basically the signal line. So once you see the green line cross the red line from down to up, at the moment you can see the area chart is crossing the 0 level and coming up, and we can find there is a upper trend situation. On the other hand, if you can see the green line cross the red line from up to bottom, from upper hand to down hand, then there is a bare chance to open trade in the downside. One more thing, again I am repeating, how to find the trend is flat. As much gap you will find in both line, as much better signals you will get, guys. If you see there is a signals and there is a gap in between two lines and sharp crossover is done, then this is a better chances for open a trade for a upper trend or a downtrend, because these levels and lines shows the signal. When the MACD line cross above, that is for buying, and if down, then that is, if crossing down, then that is for downtrend. So we have a one more oscillator here, MACD, after that stochastic. So stochastic is a bounded oscillator. Guys, understand there is a two type of oscillator. One is trend oscillator or one is wound or unbound oscillator. We have a bounded oscillator right now, which is working in the two parameters, 80 to 20 only. So we have, this is not going even more than 80, like till above and above and above or lower. So what is this stochastic? Stochastic basically separately you can see in the chart on the downside. It is representing by two curves. There is two curves which is 80 and 20. The value of this basically is 100 or 20, but on by default you can see here 80-20. This is the oscillator which is providing you also two lines. You can see one blue, one almost I can say red or pink, dark pink, magenta. So the level of 80 we called it overbought zone. What is the meaning of overbought zone? What is the meaning of overbought zone? Whenever you see the level of chart, the two lines are going above the level 80, that means the level of chart, the price of the asset is going much high. So maybe we will have a chance to get some downtrend. There is a situation that we will have get some downtrend. So I'm just shrink the chart and just check once the line going above the 80, after some time, after some candles, we are getting some trends for downtrend. On the other hand, there is a level 20 called oversold zone. Oversold. Meaning of that oversold is if the chart is going below level 20, then there is a situation that the trend is going high after some time. But again, the calculation of the situation, the formula of the gap in between both line is working over here as well. Now let's find some assets and open the trade. Guys, I would like to request you, please check your Olymp Trade also application and find if you are getting the signals, then we can open the trade. How to find the signals? So, okay, so for opening the trade we need three signals. And what are the three signals, sir? The three signals is, like if I wanted to open the trade, so first of all the candle should be red. The candle should be red. MACD should cross the horizontal level from up to down. The green line should cross the level red signal line from up to down, and at the moment the stochastic just touch or cross the level 80 and coming down. So what is the trick here? You can see this blue line coming above and above, and on the near to 80 level it's crossed below 80 and below red line. So this is the trick for opening the trade, and we can open the trade over here. Again, let me repeat one more thing. Timing of the trade, timing of the trading time, like daytime, 100% depends. Strategies are not the guarantees of the success. Means if you could open the trade and you think like I have a strategy, now my every trade is going to be positive, please don't think so, because there is nothing coming in the guarantee situation. Nothing. There is no formula which can be providing you the 100% success rate, guys. Yes, there is a formula of strategies, because if you open the trade with the signal on proper time, then your profitability is going to be maybe maximum 90%, but it's not going to be 100%. So don't think like strategy is a rocket science. So now I know the strategy and my every trade is going positive. Don't think so. All right, here let's check one more thing for upper trend situation. So for downtrend situation, what we need a proper three signals. We need a proper three signals. Candle should be red, MACD should be below the line, and here what we saw, stochastic is also going below the line. Now this is an interesting situation. Sometimes what we are doing, sometimes we are opening the trade, and what happened, just we open the trade and our trade is going down from that part. So check this thing. This is called a level. Check this candle right now, which is on my cursor right now, and the current candle, they both are on the same levels. They both are on the same level. And here if you wanted to open the trade, the signals are coming late. The signals are coming late, meaning that the candle is green, MACD is already coming late, but the stochastic is already reaching that level. The stochastic is already reaching that level. That means here we shouldn't open the trade, because there might be a reversal pattern coming. Okay, there might be a reversal pattern coming. For open the trade, as early you will get the signal, it would be better for your trading. As late you will get the signal, that will be risky for your trading. These are the tricks basically, because we didn't know how to open the trade and how to utilize the signal and when to utilize the signal. If you didn't know, then how you can get the profitability? Because okay, now we are getting some signal over here, and if I open the trade, so I open the trade exactly at the moment when that candle start. Doesn't matter it will be go positive or not, because yes, I'm not the son of God. I'm not the son of the God. Sometimes I'm also having the losses, but the three signals are here. Every three signals is matching and I open the trade. This is the best way to open the trade for an upper trend. So guys, I would like to request you, Ragini ji, Rahul ji, please have some patience. I will give you the answer for your questions. Just wait, have some patience. I'm here for you. However, Rahul ji is helping you very well, as I see. Thank you so much. But we are here to, I think, learn some strategy. So please, any other questions if you guys having, please let me know on the chat box. And one more thing, please send me the details of any asset. Like if you find any signal on that asset, please let me know. No, Rahul bhai, there is no need to say sorry. You are even helping. Thank you so much. आप मेरा वजन थोड़ा सा कम कर रहे हो. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ आपका. मैं ये सरकाज़म नहीं है, ये मैं आपको क्रिटिसाइज़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सीरियसली थैंक यू फ्रॉम द हार्ट. बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक बार आप लोग इस पर फोकस कर लीजिए. आपके सवालों के जवाब तो मैं दूंगा ही दूंगा, एंड के लिए मैं बैठा ही हूँ. बिकॉज फिर बाद में आप लोगों को ये लगेगा कि जो आप करने आए थे, सीखने आए थे, वो आप नहीं सीख पाए और उसकी जगह कहीं और चले गए. थैंक यू सो मच. सो हेयर यू कैन सी द सिग्नल विच आई ओपन नाउ. I opened the trade. However, पिछली बार last time I opened the trade for a downtrend, that was also positive. Here I opened the trade and I hope this is also going to be positive. So what is the base? What is the trick to open the trade? If you are having a signal, do not wait, because usually we are waiting for the signals and we open the trade once we are getting like, okay, now I wanted to open the trade, let's the candle going 30-40 second more. No, don't do this. If you are putting the graph time 1 minute, then you can open the trade for minimum 2 minutes to 3 minutes. If you are putting the graph time of 15 minutes, if you are putting the graph time of 15 seconds, sorry, then your trading time should be 30 to 45 seconds. Moral of the story is, whatever your graph time is, your trading time should be 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. Like if you are going to put the graph time of 5 minutes, then your trading time should be 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, if you wanted to open the trade in Forex by using the same strategy, like some of people are very much like to open the trade in Forex. However, Forex can be work better with the levels as well as the support and resistance level plus economic news. But if you want, no worries. Let's not cold is actually a tricky, no worries. What we need to do, if you wanted to open the trade in Forex by using the same strategy, then what you need to do, you need to change your graph time from 1 minute to minimum 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours. Because the law of the candlestick always says, as much graph time you can choose, as better signals and candlestick formation you will get. But the problem is that we are always not in some patience. We very much wanted to earn money very early, and this is the reason behind of our losses, guys. There is no shortcut for earning money. If you are just running for the shorter time early gaining situation, then you forgot one thing that you don't know, or maybe you forgot, if you are getting money early, then you will have a chance to lose the money early as well. So, please, so I just put the graph time of 4 hours, even you can choose the 1 hour, same way, and you can see the trend in signals are even much finer than 1 minute or 2 minute or 15 second or 5 second graph time. So this is the best way to open the trade. I open second trade, that was also positive. So I can say today my day is good. All right. Do not open the trade on single asset. If you can check, even I open 3 trades and my all 3 different trades, 4 trades I open, and the 4 trades are in different asset. However, if I am having a profitability, then I can go with the same asset. Remember, if you are having a profitability, then you can go with the same asset. But if you are having a unsuccessful trades in a same asset, 2-3 trades unsuccessful in your asset, then try to change your asset, because we are having a huge assets. Just what you need to do, go to the asset section, do not touch to the any profitability, click to the over 80%, and you will have a chance to get the assets which is providing you the profitability of minimum 80% to maximum 93%, or according to your asset, according to your status. I'm so sorry. Just open the trade like that and you will get a better chance. One more important thing, guys, which is I'm always saying, entry point is very important. Like here you can see the signals are coming on this candle, so this is the entry point. Also one more thing, meaning of the entry point is like here what we saw, the candle is already going up, and after 4 candles maybe there is a ups and downs in a candle, it can be happen. But if you putting the graph time of 1 minute, your candle duration time is 60 second, I'm so sorry, you need to open your trade in first 10 second or maximum 40 second. If you are trading, the candle is already reached to level 30s, the duration of the 30s like 39, 35, 38, 25, don't open the trade. Even if you are getting the signal, please don't open the trade. One more thing, if you already saw the stochastic level is reaching to that 80 or 20 zone, means overbought and oversold zone, try to escape the trading. Because if the level is already reaching to that area, that means the reversal can be happened. And if the reversal can be happened, that means that you are having an unsuccessful trade. Like I opened the trade, this is just an example which I opened for you. I opened the trade on 5th candle. If I could open the trade on 1st candle or 2nd candle, I could have a profitable result. But unfortunately, I opened the trade on wrong direction. Why I am providing you this thing and why I am getting the losses? Because I want you to learn this small things which is very important. Okay, just understand, guys. Check this thing. Here we are having a signal, even the candle are here. Now what happened if I open the trade over here? I opened the trade in the last situation. I opened the trade. Unfortunately, I opened the trade for the 2 candles, but just because I opened the candle, opened the trade in the last of the last moment, so unnecessary it will go for the 3rd candle. One more extra candle can be, and that will be 4th candle. So a chances of uncertainty can be happened, because the line of a stochastic maybe can touch the level 80 or 20. Some important things also I would like to discuss with you with this situation, and till that time I will open some trades also. Some recommendations, guys. A period of high market activity means a better signal. So now, right now, as you can see, what is the meaning of high market activity period? High market activity period means if you are getting a proper signals up and down, then you can continue with that. If you can see these kind of candles, one green, one red, doesn't matter if it is a small and big, that is a lower market activity period. Means we can say that the market activity is not so good, that is a flat trend is coming, and mostly you are having an unsuccessful trades on the same situation. Mostly. Most of the time if you are doing this, then you will have a chance, because if you can check even your trades, you are getting the mostly unsuccessful trade at this situation. Whenever the one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red, this is the situation when you are having unsuccessful trade. So always open the trade on the trend situation. What is the trend? there is a three types of trend. One trend which is when the price of the any asset going up or down to up, you can see it like here, that is called an upper trend. Whenever you see the price of an asset going down from up to downside, that is called a downtrend situation. Okay. However, there is a sideway trend also. What is the sideway? Like this. Here we have a chance to open the trade up, down, because in this situation what you can see, the trend is not going too much up and too much down, and it working in a level situation. So here you can see it, the situation over here. Now what is the condition? This is also good, but uncertain. There is a one more trend which is we call trend of uncertainty, and this is the trend of uncertainty. Whenever we are getting this candles, which is one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red, that is actually right now, as you can see on my screen, this is that candle of uncertainty. Please don't open the trade. Always choose the asset which is providing you the minimum profitability of 80%. Don't waste your time for 70, 30, 50 or 10%. If I'm taking the risk of $1 or I'm taking the risk, I mean, if you are taking the risk of $1 and if you are taking the risk of $1,000, why we need to waste our time for 10% profitability, and why we need to take a risk for the 10, 30, 70? Go for the maximum, and the minimum is 80%. Try to avoid your trading at the time of important economic news. Just like today, we are having a news at 5:45 as per Indian Standard Time. There is a big news from America. After 9 minutes, like 7:55 Indian Standard Time, there is two more interesting data is coming, which is can influence the market. And after 24 minutes, one more data coming. So basically, the important data of after 9 minutes, there is important data of Canada. Bank of Canada interest rate decision. Is the Bank of Canada is going to decrease the interest rate or increase the interest rate? That is a decision, or it will not going to do anything. This is basically is going to be happen in next 9-10 minutes. So try to avoid. Let the market going to be settle and then open the trade. Don't go with the flow, because here what is happening basically, the external factor can unexpectedly break your forecast. This is usually happen. Try to open the trade with peace. Just have patience. Don't be in rush. Open the trade with cool mind, with patience, and then start your trading with the shorter amount. Don't go with the higher amount from the starting. If you wanted to trade in your Olymp Trade, if you put it like 10,000 INR or $1,000, start your trading with the minimum amount like 70 or $1. Try to check the scenario of market. If you can see yes, the market is okay, you are getting a profitability, then slowly start with the 1%. However, what I'm saying always to the trader, what is the good amount to open the trade, good amount to put the for balance? You can open like 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees is a good and average better amount, because as much less amount you can put for your trading, you wanted to open the trade and your trading is going to be risky, because from shorter amount you wanted a bigger profitability, and that is actually risky. The timing is like as per Indian Standard Time. Well, if you can open the trade by using the strategy, I can say you can open the trade in 24 hours. Within 24 hours, there is no need to worry. But there is a proper timing. What is that? The timing is afternoon 12:30 p.m. to evening 10:30 p.m. and that is the good time to open the trade in market. Also, one more thing, try to avoid trading at this time, current time, which is we are going to discuss, because this is the time when the American market is going to be open, because already 7 done as per Indian Standard Time. So American market is open, so market is a little bit fluctuated, as well as some important economic news are coming. So try to avoid trading here. Okay. And Martingale. What is Martingale? Martingale is the best way to cover your losses. Let's suppose that if you are having $1,000 in your account. If you are having $1,000 in your account, what you need to do, you need to open the trade from 1% of $1,000. 1% of $1,000 is going to be $10. Open your trade with the $10. If your $10 trade is going to be positive, then continue with the $10. Don't change the timing, don't change anything, just continue with that. If your $10 trade is become unsuccessful, then try to change the time, just change the amount, just make it double, $20. If your $20 trade is going positive, then there is a chance that you will have a chance to get recovery of your loss of $10, and also you are having some small profitability in your account as well. If you are getting the profitability over there, then start again your trading with the $10. If your two trades are continuously unsuccessful in a same asset or same strategy as well, then you need to change many things. One, you need to change the asset first. Second, you need to change the timing. If you are opening the trade with 2 minutes, then change it to 3 minutes. If you use the strategy, change the strategy as well. So timing, strategy, and importantly asset, you need to change all these things. Start your third trade with the $40, which is just double of your second trade. If your $40 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to recover your amount, and also you are having some profitability in your account as well. Okay. And if your third trade is also going unsuccessful, then there is a situation, open your trade, last trade, fourth trade as per the Martingale, last and fourth trade, $80 to $100, 80 to 100. Why 80 to 100? Because if you choose the 80% asset and open the trade with the $80, then you will not have a chance to recovery of the all three unsuccessful trades. If you have a chance to profitability on fourth trade, then you will have a chance to recover all three trades and stop your trading. This is a formula number 4, guys. Remember one thing. Remember one thing always. The euphoria of success and frustration and loss just created some kind of unnecessary psychological pressure in our mind. Psychological pressure. What is the meaning of psychological pressure? If we are getting a profitability constantly, then we think like, yeah, today is a very good day, let's earn everything today, and we unnecessarily taking risk without any consideration. And if you lose the 4 trades in a day constantly, then what happened? Yaar, the world is not going to be finished today, maybe, or let's recover all the amount today. So open the trade with the higher and higher amount, and then what happened? In the frustration, sometimes what happened, you guys are maybe open the trade with the maximum amount of your account, and then swaha. Don't do this. After 4 successful or after 4 unsuccessful trade, please take a small break. The breaks are very necessary, because in the break time, the cloud of the emotion is going to be removed from over your head, and you will become calm, and with the patience you can open the trade. Right, guys? Martingale is the only way to open the trade if you are having patience at the moment, at that time. If you are already in the kind of situation, then do not go with the Martingale, and Martingale working only with the 4 types, 4 levels. That's it. And this is just, please tackle it like a business. This is not a game. This is not any betting site, Dream 11 or kind of things. No, this is pure game. Your money is in, this is pure business. I'm so sorry. This is pure business. So please treat it like a business. Because if you are doing, some of you guys are doing actually business, is it really possible to just put $10 and start your business? We are not taking it seriously. Even we are having a profitability sometimes 100%, 200%, 300%, 3000% even, but we are not taking it seriously. I put a 10,000 and I got a 50,000. It's not so big money. But if you just think according to the investor, anyone can provide me any detail like yearly if you are getting a 20% profitability return on anything around the world. I don't think so. Here if you are having, then please respect it and do the trading according to the trading way, like you are a trader. You are not a gambler, guys. So thank you so much. The topic is over. Now let's take some questions of yours. All right. Asit ji, hi sir. Shiv Kumar Asthana ji, namaskar. Okay, I already sent the details of Olymp Trade Hindi channels. Again, I'm repeating the same situation. Those who wanted to learn this education process in Hindi, I would like to request you, please join this channel which is I'm sending right now. So the Hindi channel link. Remember, in Hindi channel we are having sessions or webinars on Tuesday and Thursday. So please like and subscribe the channel so that you will have a notification for the same. पापा का हाफ कैपिटल लॉस कर दिया है मैंने सर। इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस हुआ है। आप कोई टिप्स ट्रिक्स इन बैंक निफ्टी के लिए? आई एम सॉरी असित जी, बैंक निफ्टी के लिए आप बैंक निफ्टी और उससे किसी उनके एनालिस्ट से संपर्क करें। जिस विषय पे आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हम उसी पे बात करेंगे। मुझे बड़ा दुख है कि आपका नुकसान हुआ। सॉल्व सॉन्ग्स हेलो हाय चिल ब्रो हेलो गणेश जी हेलो। अच्छा हिंदी ये तो हिंदी है सारा, बता दिया मैंने। राहुल जी इन लोगों को ट्रिक चाहिए, नॉलेज नहीं। ओके राहुल जी, बेसिकली I can provide you the tricks and knowledge as well, because tricks are not coming without knowledge, as I already said. So those who wanted to earn money in 5 seconds, भगवान ही भला करे उनका। If you understand 1 USDT equal to 1 INR, so you can make $1 in lakh. True. आई नो यार, ये आपस में खेलने लगते हो आप लोग। रागिनी जी, मेरे पास वॉलेट में मेरे ऐप वॉलेट में पैसा नहीं आया है, मैं वापस आया तो मैं कोई प्रॉपर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है। मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा रागिनी ठाकुर जी, आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है तो आपका पैसा सोने का है। मैं रिकॉर्डेड लाइन पर आपको बोल रहा हूँ, जिसको आप सुन सकते हैं आगे भी यूट्यूब पर। एक छोटा सा प्रोसेस है, जब आप लोग डिपॉजिट और विड्रॉल करते हैं, आप लोग कोई भी एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करते हैं तो उसमें टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन का एक कॉलम होता है, जिस पर जब आप क्लिक करते हैं तो कृपया करके उसको पढ़ा कीजिए, स्पेशली तब जहाँ पर आप अपने पैसे लगा रहे हो। अकाउंट का प्रोसेसिंग टाइम है 24 घंटे से 5 वर्किंग डे, कम से कम 24 घंटे से 5 वर्किंग डे। ऐसा नहीं है कि 24 घंटे ही लगेंगे, कभी कभी 5 मिनट 10 मिनट 15 मिनट में भी पैसे आ जाते हैं, बट 24 घंटे से 5 वर्किंग डेज़ में आपके पैसे आपके पास आ जाएंगे। अगर 5 वर्किंग डेज़ में आपके पास पैसे नहीं आते हैं तो मैं निवेदन करूँगा आपसे, 24/7 365 डेज़ सपोर्ट टीम हमारी आप लोगों की हेल्प के लिए काम करती है। आप तुरंत उनसे संपर्क कीजिए। मुझे मेरे 700 रुपये वापस चाहिए। मिल जाएंगे भाई, आपके 700 रुपये लेके हम नहीं भागेंगे। ओके, गूगल पे से आपने डिपॉजिट किए हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। आपने यूटीआर नंबर और गैस, जैसे कि राहुल जी ने आपसे पूछा है, आई गेस आपने सारा प्रोसेस फॉलो किया होगा। अगर कोई भी प्रोसेस फॉलो नहीं किया होगा तो शायद टाइम लग सकता है, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर। श्यामोल राज हेलो ब्रदर, हेलो सर। ओके, सुमित कंबेल, ये कौन सी कैंडल टाइप है? दिस इज़ अ हाई कैनेशी कैंडल स्टिक सर। whenever you are putting the strategy on your graph, so graph can choose the strategy as well as the candlestick and the oscillator on the standard setting in by default way, so no need to change anything over here. Mr. King said, please guide me for Olymp Trade. Sir, I am doing the same. However, guys, those who wanted to earn with learning, please check it over here. There is a help section which is with the symbol of question mark. Just click on it, and here you are having a support, help center, education, trading tutorials, everything. So there is a education section. Once you click to the education section, you will get a chance to see many things for which is actually related to the educations. How to start trading, fixed time trade guide, forex time, fixed time trade strategies, forex guide, forex strategies, stocks guide, risk and money management, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, chart, Japanese candlesticks, drawing tools, indicator, oscillator, trading advices. Please expend your half hour, 1 hour in a day to learn this thing. It's make your trading seriously very easy. Yaar, without any learning thing, like this is the situation, like we didn't know about a car, we didn't know where is the accelerator, where is the brake, where is the clutch, how to put gear in the car and how to ride a car, how to drive the car. And I just bought a car. I don't know even any single thing of car. I just bought a car, I'm sitting it, start engine, and I start driving. There is a 99% chances of the accident, you know. So usually people are doing, either they are learning from the car school sometimes this, yeah, they are, or they bought a old car and they then doing hot safai on that car and then they bought a new car. So anything which is we can do, we need to do practice, guys. You need to learn, please. Some information about the boom STM. Sure, sir. I would love to provide the details of boom STM. So the boom STM, we have boom 150 and where is the boom 300. Okay, so we have a boom 150. Once you put the boom 150 in your account, basically it's working as per the ticks. And what are the ticks? Okay, let me remove this strategy so that it will be helpful for you. Here is a ticks. In 1 second, this boom, see, I put it the graph time of 1 minute. So in boom or STM or crash index, check this numbers 300 and 150. The meaning of that, on an average, after 150 ticks, this boom index is reverse. Just because this is boom, it's working downside. But after the 150, on an average, please remember, on an average, after the 150 ticks is going to be reverse from the upper side, and then after it will become down. How to know and how to find the ticks? Usually in one candles, 60 seconds and 60 ticks. How to find it? Again, go to this information section, and if you want to check the ticks, basically see here, view quote history. And if I put the graph time, if I put the timing here, let's suppose 1919 719. So you can count over here the ticks, that is usually the 60 ticks. So as per the 60 tick calculation, how many candles we need for profitability? In a one tick 60, sorry, in one candle 60 ticks, two candles 120 ticks, and around 2.5. So if you are going to open the trade by using this asset, do not go with the maximum or higher profitability. Always open small trading with the take profitability of 30 to 40%. Like this you can open the trade and you will get the profitability, because don't go with the 100 or 150 or something like that, please. And one more thing, check the levels always. This is the working with the levels. If you can check here, 1 or 2, there is two situation. Even whenever you are going to check, you can find there is a levels who stop your trades somewhere. 1 2 1 2 3 4, here 1, and this is right now on the same path. So on the crash index, if you are going to work, so here in crash index the ticks is working with the 300, means 5 candles. So after, on an average, after the 5 candle or 300 ticks, the crash index is going to be crash for a downside. Usually you need to open the trade by using the RSI indicator or oscillator over here with the parameter of 14. Whenever you are seeing that it's going to be oversold, sorry, yeah, the chart is going oversold, you can start your trading. But again I am repeating, don't go further with the 100, 200 and 500% profitability with that, no need. Just open small trade with 30 to 40% profitability with the take profit, and you will get some benefit over here in the crash index or boom index. Thank you so much. Language Hindi, I already told you. Ankit Kumar sir, I am depositing in gaming account. First of all, I would like to you, Ankit Kumar ji, what is gaming account? If your payment is failed, that means having some problem from your UPI or your bank, do not worry, please wait from 24 hours to 5 working days also. If you will not get your money in your bank account or in your trading account, then please send your screenshot of the payment method and contact to the support team. They will help you for the same. Rahul ji, one indicator, you are asking that one indicator is working for long time. No sir, do not bounded yourself on a single thing. You need to change the gear always, just like you are driving car or bike. Always try to change the gear. Do not go further with the only single situation, please. I continuously lost amount of 8 to 10 Martingale. Only questions. Name of the profile. Sir, please don't do. No need to open the trade, because Martingale is going to be unnecessarily problematic for you if you are continuously doing trading in Martingale. There is a level of 4. Remember, there is a level of 4. 4 level of Martingale is only enough. If you see that you are not getting the profitability, so there is a 2-way. In 4th trade, if 4th trade you are getting the unsuccessful trade, that means either you are doing the same mistakes in your trading, or either the market is not so good, because every time only you are not going to do mistakes. Na yaar, maybe the market is bad, so stop your trading and do the trading after some time. Or what you can do, just open to trade with the Martingale, take a small break, come after some time. If you are having a loss, then open 2 more trades. Do not go further with the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th level, because in that situation you will lose all amount of your account. Please. Okay, some more questions let me take. Wait 24 hour. Okay, Ankit ji is giving reply to some other person. Don't trade in market constantly. Thank you so much, sir. Sunil ji, you are absolutely right. Naitik Singh ji, you are very late, sir. I did some trade. Please, once this video is going to be finished, please check. I opened many trades. Now I am just focusing to the question answer. So I can only focus one situation at one time. I am so sorry for that. I kindly request you, please check the video from starting, or please from next time join sharp at 6:30 Indian Standard Time. Then you will get better situation. Same Vimal Devi, I am repeating to you. Sunil ji, trade in 5-second time or time frame 1 minute. No, actually 5-second time frame is not so good, because whenever you are not even so thinking too much and you feel that the candle is stopped. If you wanted to open the trade in early situation, then I would like to recommend you guys, put your graph time of 15 seconds and open your trade with 30 to 45 seconds, and then you will check the result. Maybe that is better. Abrar Sheikh, this is for you also. Ragini Thakur, broken heart. Vimal Devi, please state. I already told, sir, where do you live? I will not going to tell you guys. Unfortunately, I wish I could do, but I am working here, and as per company contract, I'm sorry, but I'm not able to tell you. Sir, कैंडल में एक्सेलरेशन एंड एक्सटेंशन आइडेंटिफाई करना बताएं. आप एक काम कीजिएगा, हेल्प सेक्शन में जाइएगा और हेल्प सेक्शन में एक बार देखिएगा, जैपनीज़ कैंडलस्टिक का एक पूरा चार्ट है, पूरा टॉपिक है, उसको एक बार रीड कीजिएगा. अगर दिक्कत आती तो फिर मुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम बताइएगा, बिकॉज हमारा टाइमिंग में 4 मिनट बचे हैं और ये थोड़ा सा टाइम खाएगा. ठीक है. Hello brother, I am late today. Oh, I missed your live session, but I just watched. Thank you so much sir. सुनील जी पूछ रहे हैं क्या डेली ट्रेड करना गलत है? नहीं, डेली ट्रेड करना गलत नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. बट बात ये है कि अगर डेली आप एक टाइम सेट करो, एक डिसिप्लिन के साथ ट्रेडिंग करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. असद सिद्दीकी साहब, आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, please do not share your personal details, trader ID, email ID in the chat box. I would like to request you, sir, Siddiqui Saab, please do not. I trust you all guys, I respect you all guys. If here is some kind of people who are just a cheater and they are take your ID and they are doing something, if anyone who is authorized from the Olymp Trade, if he and she is going to ask you for the same, your trader ID and your personal detail, then you can just share please. So I am deleting your comments, sir. Rodeo strategy unlock किया उससे के पता नहीं सर क्या लिख रहे हैं आप, सॉरी, माफ़ी चाहूँगा. प्लीज़ ट्रेड, आई एम इन अ ग्रुप एंड आई एम इन अ ग्रुप. बिमल देवी जी, I already did trading. You are late. now this is the time to say bye bye. So please check this video one more time from starting and you will know that how to trade, where to trade. Please trade for me. Okay. Thank you so much guys for giving your time. It's a pleasure to talk with you. Have a nice